Hello! Right, doing a bit of a test of this microphone again. I treated myself to one of those Movo ACM400s, which, you know, they get good reviews, so we'll see how it turns out. I think I'm still going to suffer with wind noise, because this helmet's old and sounds like a tornado going on from inside here. So I don't think it's going to cure the wind noise, but hopefully it'll be clearer audio. I'm just using the included foam windsock that comes with it. It's very tiny, so I can't see it doing a great deal, but yeah, we'll go with it for a while, and then I'll pull over and put the furry dead cat on. I'll take the foam one off and put the furry dead cat on. Well, that's at 55 miles an hour. Well, like I say, it sounds really windy in here. So I'm not sure what the mic is going to be picking up. I wasn't really planning on going anywhere, but I might have a ride out to the cafe for a quick brew. Yeah, if I do this run to the cafe with just the phone mic, and then we can well, change over. It's a bit cloudy today. It doesn't give out any rain, but can't see there being much sunshine. I've tried various other mics, and up until getting this one, the best result was from a real cheap lavalier mic. It was really cheap, but the problem with it was it only seemed to record on the left hand channel audio. It wasn't in stereo. And it's got the right plug on it. It's got the same plug as all the others, but I don't know, the GoPro didn't like it. And I've got a pretty expensive mic that I plug into the GoPro, which works absolutely fine when you're just using the GoPro as a handheld. But when I tried it in my helmet on the bike, it was abysmal. Couldn't hear anything at all. Maybe it was just too sensitive, I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, I hope this solves the problem, because like I say, the reviews are really good with it. So I think it was about £24 off Amazon. I had some credit, so it didn't really cost me that much. It is looking a bit bleak over here. Why are the cars coming towards me with the lights on? That's not a good sign, is it? Starts to rain, I'm turning round. Oh, here we go, traffic lights. Thought these have been cleared by now. Been here for ages. Hit the three-way, which makes it that much more difficult. I'll just record a little with the visor open, see what difference it makes, if you can hear me at all. Like 40 mile an hour with the visor open. Shut it down. Okay, visor's shut again. Chartley Castle on the left there. Don't know if I got that on the camera. When I first set off, I thought there was something wrong with my bike. I was ready to pull off, started it up, put it into gear, and it kept stopping. After a while I realised I had the side stand down. Stupid mistake, but hey, at least it works. Couldn't think what was wrong with it at all. Mind had completely gone. But yeah, it won't let you start up. Well, it lets you start up, it won't let you put it into gear without cutting out, so it does its job. Right, we're at the cafe. Let's pull in. Yep. See you now. Well, we're all fed and watered. Okay, not fed. Yeah, I'm still hoping this rain holds off. A couple of people there said it's not forecast any, but it's right on the brim of raining, I think. Anyway, I've put this dead cat on now. I had to leave the foam, original little foam one on because it was a bit too big. It probably fell off. But I'll try it for a little while. The last time I tried using it with a dead cat, I had a bit of an issue. But I think it was a GoPro issue, and my GoPro cut off for some reason. It froze up completely, and when I restarted it, the audio was appalling. So we'll see now if it was a GoPro issue or the fact that I've got this dead cat over the top of the foam one. Training, look, see it on my visor. I've still had no issue with the stalling with using this E5 fuel. So it could well have been that E10 fuel, it didn't like it. Bike was stalling when I was coming to a stop, and it hasn't done that since using this E5 fuel. Well, we've definitely got some light drizzle going on. The roads are wet, well, damp. So I think there's been more rain here before I got here. People have got the wipers on, that's not a good sign. I need to go home. I really don't want to get caught out in the wet. Right, this is not good. I don't do wet weather riding. Right, so now it's really raining. I'm not happy at all. I either find somewhere to shelter, or I just hope that it goes off when I start heading home. Not really heavy, but you know, when you're going along, it certainly feels like it. Okay, I've took the dead cat off again, so we're back to just the foam windsock. I won't know how that recorded until I get back home. It is brighter over that way, so hopefully it'll stop en route. Well, it was not forecast any rain today. So what's this wet stuff coming down? Well, the rain does seem to have just about eased off, and it's definitely brighter in this direction looking at the sky. So yeah, didn't enjoy that at all. Don't do rain. Plus the GoPro hasn't got its waterproof cover on, so I don't know how that stands up to getting a bit of wet. It's not being submerged in water, is it? But it's only like splashes. Just give the screen a wipe, just in case. Yeah. Roads are definitely drier this way. It's supposed to be nice tomorrow, but I think we'll have to wait and see. Supposed to be getting a bit of sunshine back, so could well be out again tomorrow. Yeah, it's definitely brighter this direction. I knew it was a mistake heading into the darkness. This engine is a real peach, this 450. They've really got it right with this one. It's the same one that they put in the Himalayan. Definitely hit the nail on the head with this one. Feels nothing like any of the air-cooled engines. It's a completely different kettle of fish. I mean, you wouldn't even know it was a Royal Enfield you were riding, to be honest. It's so different. Look at this old pub here. Burnt down. It's just about collapsed in on itself, hasn't it? I remember that being open many, many years ago. The Wheat Sheaf? I think it was called the Wheat Sheaf. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know why it hasn't been knocked down completely. Probably belongs to a farmer or something. Not the best thing to be meeting on a blind bend. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and this microphone test has proven something. Well, to me anyway. Yeah, hopefully it'll be a bit brighter, a little bit more sunshine next time. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time, thanks for watching.